So let's say you have an Allen Bradley FactoryTalk application, but you want to run it on a Maple Systems IPC. In this video, I'll walk you through installing FactoryTalk on your IPC or rugged tablet, and show you how to configure, transfer, and run your FactoryTalk project on a Maple Systems IPC. Hi, I'm Alex with Maple Systems, and welcome to another Maple Systems video training series. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need a copy of FactoryTalk. We'll be using FactoryTalk View Machine Edition, and you'll need a FactoryTalk View application, a .mer runtime file. You'll also need a Maple Systems industrial PC or rugged tablet. I'll be using the IPC 2710A for this video. Once we've downloaded the installer from Rockwell's website, we'll open up this setup.exe file here as an admin user. So once I've opened up this installer as an admin, I'll go ahead and select Machine Edition Station, because that's going to run the runtime file for FactoryTalk on this machine. And I've finished installing. After using some movie magic to activate my FactoryTalk off screen, we're here and we just need to restart our computer, and then FactoryTalk will be able to work right out of the box. So now that we have FactoryTalk Machine Edition installed and activated on our server PC, we'll want to transfer our FactoryTalk project over to our server. I won't go into detail on how to make a FactoryTalk project, but we have one right here, instantfizz me.mer, and you'll want to make sure to transfer your project over as a .mer file, because that's your runtime compiled project file. And so next we'll want to set up our network configuration to allow our PC and project to connect to our PLC properly. We'll do this by making sure all of our devices are on the same Ethernet subnet as each other, much like the diagram I'm showing right now. So once we have all of our devices connected to the same subnet, we'll want to configure our PLC on our server PC through FactoryTalk Linx here, which I have open now. We'll open up a new driver, hit OK. And this is where you'll put in the IP address of your PLC. 192.168, let's say it's 100. And then we'll hit apply, and OK. And then you'll see an Ethernet IP address associated with our IP address. And we want to make sure that this is configured the same way as it is in our FactoryTalk project. So once we've transferred over our .mer file into a place where we can find it, and we've configured our FactoryTalk Linx to connect to our PLC, we're going to open up FactoryTalk ME Station. So now that I have FactoryTalk ME Station open, I'm going to hit Load Application here, go to my desktop, and there's the .mer that I transferred over. Hit Open. And once the MER file is loaded up in FactoryTalk ME Station, we just hit Run Application here. And there we have it. We have our .mer file running here on our Maple Systems IPC. And that about does it for today. If you'd like a written version of this tutorial, or for more of our integrations tutorials, feel free to visit our integrations page on maplesystems.com. We'd also really appreciate it if you could leave a like on the video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you'd like to be notified when we make more videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.